Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually going to be doing a very basic, easy and quick and doing your brows, guys. So we'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I actually do a lot of makeup and beauty tutorials, makeup and beauty reviews, makeup and beauty hauls, makeup and beauty tips and tricks, and much more. So if you guys wanted to learn and save, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to learn how to do your eyebrows in a simple and easy and quick way, guys, especially if you got a sparse brows like mine, please keep on watching. So the things that we're going to be needing today to do your brows, guys. First, you're going to be needing an eyebrow pencil. So with the so if you do have a sparse brows like my brows, a pencil set that I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out if you guys haven't actually owned one. Maybelline Ultra Brow Slim, L'Oreal Skinny Definer brow pencil, guys, and lastly I've got the Rimmel Brow Pro Micro. So they've actually got a very skinny winding pencil, guys. So this is actually a very nice, easy and precise in actually lining your brows. So this is actually a very easy to use, rather than getting those thick brow pencils. They're actually gonna be very hard to use this, guys, if you actually do have sparse brows like mine. This is actually got a spoolie at the end, guys. So this is actually you know, you can actually use it for brushing your brows or for blending any products. And secondly, you're going to be needing a brow powder. That way it actually going to give you like a very natural, you know, blended brows. So be using the Gerard Cosmetics Brow to Go, guys, and this is in the shade medium to Ebony. So this eyebrow palette actually does come in a brush, so you actually don't need to buy a brush for your brows. So it actually got a wax, and it's also got your two shades here, which is a lighter and a darker shade, but mainly we'll be using the medium shade. If you do have a thick brows, you need to use the eyebrow pencils, guys. Using today, guys, is the Morphe E29. Very easy to use when I'm actually applying the products on my brows, guys. To have a concealer and a flat brush like this, guys. You can actually have the same concealer as what you use under your eyes, guys, as long as not gonna be like too light on your skin tone. Actually use a foundation which is the same shade that you're actually using for your face, so that's fine. You're gonna be needing an eyebrow gel to set your brows. Let's get on with the tutorial, guys. So I'm only going to be doing one side so you can actually see the difference. So what I'm doing now, I'm just brushing my brows up. So I've actually got a mature skin, so I tend to just to slightly lift my brows a little bit, not too much, just slightly, guys, just very slightly. And then I always like to start from the end first, the end tail of my brow, and I'm just using a very lightly handed application, guys. Very light. And it is also very important that you also need to groom your brows, so they're actually nice and clean. Just very light-handed, guys. I'm just following the shape of my brows. So if you actually don't have an arch, you can actually create an arch. I like to fill it in first, so I always like to start at the end of the tail, and it's just a very light stroke, guys, a very light stroke. But because I actually don't have much hair on the end of on the tail of my brows, make sure I'll fill that in. Okay, so when I get into this end here, guys, I like to flick the pencil up and very lightly, because I know this part of this brows here, guys, they're actually up. We actually don't want a lot of product on this side of our brows. We want it to look more natural. We're gonna go and brush your brows. That way it's actually going to help you to blend those that product in. Add the brow powder from the Gerard Cosmetics Brow Bar to Go. I like to use the middle shade here, guys, and using the Morphe E29. Okay, I'm just taking in this product in both sides of the brush, and I just tap the excess, and I like to start at the end or the tail of my brow. I like to go more dark, kind of the tail of your brow. Then on this side here, the same way, I'm flicking the brush up. It's a flat brush like this, guys, and a concealer. So whatever the concealer that you use under your eyes, or the shade of your foundation that you use. You've got that concealer on the back of your hand, and just applying it just a little bit, just a small amount, and just pretty much to follow the shape of your brow, just to tidy up your brows. Applying a brow gel to set your brows. Okay, so I'm using the Rimmel Brow This Way in the shade Clear. So I'm just brushing the brows up. This is actually going to help your brows to stay longer. Right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today, guys. And please leave me a comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing if you want to see more of my future videos by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.